Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And topic is Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi the Great. Salahuddin Ayyubi from 1137 to 4th March 1193 was a great champion of human rights and great warrior of Islam. He was a Sunni Kurd, Tikrit, Iraq, and first Sultan of Egypt and Syria and founder of the Ayyubid dynasty. Saladin led Muslim military campaign against Crusader states and as well as Fatimid Khalifa. His, sultan, his sultanate expanded Egypt, Syria, Jazeera, Upper Mesopotamia, Hijaz, Western Arabia, Yemen, part of Western North Africa, and Nubia. Under Sultan Salahuddin's command, the Ayyubid army defeated the Crusaders at the decisive Battle of Hattin in 1187 and Fatimid Khalifa as well. Later, he freed many captive slaves due to his act of generosity. Thousands of Christians converted to Islam in the 12th century. This act was an unimaginable act. This act of kindness is well documented in the history of books and is one of the many reasons to call Sultan Salahuddin as a champion of human rights. Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi had a special respect for women and he allowed many of the noble women of the city to leave without paying any ransom. For example, Byzantine Queen Sibylla, Queen of Jerusalem, with full respect and dignity, provided protection to the people leaving the city. He also saved churches of the Holy Scripture, churches of Christian, Jewish, and others, forbade to arson or looting of properties. Jerusalem was a religious center of all the three major religions of the world after its liberation of Hazrat Umar. He also provided religious freedoms to all. Thank you.